Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about creating Exchange ActiveSync Mailbox policy. So for creating that, you have to be on Microsoft Exchange on premises. Then in organization configuration, you will get the option called Client Access. In Client Access, you will get the two options. One is Outlook Web App Mailbox Policy. Another is Exchange ActiveSync Mailbox Policy. So at Exchange ActiveSync Mailbox Policy, there is a default policy already created. You can create the new policy as well, or you can edit the new policy, the default policy as well. When you go to right click Properties, it will be open with the wizard where you can configure the policies you want to with your smartphones, that how you want the ActiveSync works. For example, we want to edit the password policy. We want to edit the minimum length of password like this. So when it going to appear, we will see. So this is what the default wizard is open like. There's one option called General. There is two other options available. Now the options are called Allow non-provisional device. For example, the device which is not as per it is not fitted as per the securities you have created. It's not as per the policy you have made, so it is known as non-provisional. It can be considered as a non-secure device as per the policy you have set for the server. There is a refresh interval hours as well. So if, for example, you allow the non-provisional policy, you can go through it. Now the password, the second option called the password, when you click on the require password, so when you click on the require alphanumeric password, so what are the things you wanted? That you want minimum number of complex characters, for example, the uppercase, lowercase, special characters, numerical characters. So like I say 3, at least 3 it's required for either is a upper is a small character or numerical. It will be create a password. Enable password recovery, that you want to password recovery, require encryption on the device, require encryption on storage card, allow simple password. If you want to allow simple password, you can go through it. Number of failed attempts allowed as well. For example, we have by default it's 8. For example, 8 times you give wrong password, and then your password or then your device will be locked, then your attempt will be locked. Minimum password length, I said 4 is enough for us. Time without user input before password must be re-entered. So for example, it will be 15 minutes we have put for. Time without user input before password must be re-entered, so it's for the 15 minutes. Now you can enforce the password history, password expiration as well, you can set from here. Sync setting, how you want to sync the settings. It's saying include past calendar items, include past email items, limit email size, allow direct push when removing, allow HTML format email, allow attachment to be downloaded to the device, maximum attachment size as well you can set. Now the device where you can form is, for example, whatever device is can be configured through this Exchange server 2010. So you can set here is that there is the option called allow removable storage, allow camera, Wi-Fi, infrared, internet sharing, remote desktop synchronization, like that. You can also allow Bluetooth. For that you require the premium Exchange ActiveSync feature that require Exchange Enterprise client access license. So you need Exchange Enterprise Client Exchange license. Similarly with device application as well, you can allow browser, consumer mail, unsigned application, unsigned installation package, which is not these package applications were not from the company base as well, but from the private developers. So again, for that you need Exchange Enterprise Client Access license. Similarly for other as well, you want to put something loud application or blocked application, you can add from here whatever application you don't want your mobile device to download, work with, your user don't want, so you can add here, or you can allow you applications which might be as per the deals you have set for the company, so you can add that application as well. For that as well, you need Exchange Enterprise Client Access license. So you can set as per your demand, your company's demand, and this is how we can create Exchange ActiveSync Mailbox policies. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.